Good morning, everyone, and thank you for joining me in today's daily market review. It's the 3rd of March 2021, and this is Mohanad Yaoud, Head of Market Research at CHIC Markets in the MENA region. Let's have a quick look on the markets to know what we're expecting for the day, so please stay tuned. Welcome back, everyone, and let's start by having a quick look on the US dollar index. Basically, on the daily time frame, we are still moving in the sideways or the upward channel, a corrective upward channel. However, it seems that we are not able to reach the top of the upward channel to reach or to test 91.70. We're having a bearish candle yesterday, so what we are expecting for today is basically a continued bearishness on the dollar index, especially after breaking below this low that we have created yesterday, which is 90.72. We're almost there. As soon as we break below this this key level, we'll be able to continue the move to the downside. So we are basically expecting a more bearish view on the dollar index. However, on the opposite side, if we did manage to break above this key level, let me just remove this key level of 91.10 roughly, we will be able to retest the highs again and target 91.70. However, the more probable scenario is a continued move to the downside. The opposite is on the euro dollar. We did have a brilliant move to the upside, a flag pattern, which usually comes in the middle of the an extended move. So what we are expecting on the euro dollar is something like this. That was the move before the flag pattern, and this is what we do expect on the euro dollar, a break to the upside. As soon as we confirm that we have reached 1.2093, we will be able to continue the move to the upside, and that's for the euro dollar. Of course, it's also supported by the bearish view on the dollar index. Let me check what do we have also for today. Regarding the pound dollar, it's still doing pretty much nothing. It's moving in a sideways since yesterday. So we don't pretty much expect anything today on the pound dollar. This is the move that we're having on the 30 minutes time frame. We are trying to break above this key level. However, this should be confirmed by a break above this high, which is 1.3998 roughly, or 1.4000. That's on the pound dollar. As soon as we break above this level, we'll be able to continue the highs on the pound dollar. On the pound yen also, we are doing pretty much nothing. On the 4-hour time frame, we are still able to move in a sideways range, a weak sideways range after creating those highs, a brilliant move to the downside. On the longer time frame, we're expecting a move on the pound yen to the downside after breaking below 1.4740. However, it seems that this will not be happening that easy. We will be moving in a sideways range between this high 150.1444 and 147.40 until we break it to the downside to continue the move, which will be a bearish move. Let's have another quick look on the gold trading, which is basically consolidating on the 4-hour time frame. We have managed to reach the low of $17.10 per ounce, and at the moment on the 30 minutes time frame, we did have a brilliant move to the upside. It's a sideways correction. What we are expecting today is a break above 1741, which should also be confirmed by a break lower on the dollar index to continue the move higher and target 1750. That's what we are expecting through the day on the gold trading. Let's have another look on the US oil. It's basically bearish. On the daily time frame, we're trying to form a top formation, lower highs, or we basically did have higher highs. That was the last high that we have created, and on the 4-hour time frame, we're trying to, or we have created a lower high during yesterday's trading. So we are bearish on the gold trading, the oil trading during the day to target 58.60 as long as we trade below as long as we trade below 61.20, that's our key levels on oil trading during the day. At the end, let's have a last look on the Dow Jones index, which basically is moving in a sideways range. On the 4-hour time frame, we did have this brilliant up move with a gap. This is a flat pattern. It's expected to continue or to end to the upside. So we will be having another move, extended move to the upside on the Dow Jones, which might expect that we will be having a higher high. However, we are still trading in this upward wedge on the daily time frame, so we might expect another move up, another new all-time high. However, this will be just a little more higher high than the previous one, and that's what we are expecting on the Dow Jones during the day. However, this scenario is legitimate, or this scenario is in place as long as we are trading above 31,310 points, and that's for the Dow Jones. Thank you very much for catching up with me today on the Daily Market Review. That was Mohanad Yaoud. We'll catch up tomorrow. Thank you for watching, and please stay safe.
CJC Markets is a leading global financial institution that has granted a derivatives issuer license issued by the Financial Markets Authority New Zealand. CJC Markets has a wide range of products, latest technology platform, and eminent customer service. CJC Markets offers superior execution, competitive spreads, and low transaction costs. CJC Markets. Smart trading, smart life.